Right now, we're seeing a notable uptick in economy sentiment, currently at plus 0.39, with a momentum of plus 1.55 over the last 24 hours. This spike is particularly striking against the historical baseline, indicating a shift in sentiment that hasn't been this positive in weeks. With 18 semantic clusters analyzed, our API returns a detailed breakdown of sentiment trends, allowing you to pinpoint what's driving this change. Imagine you're building a trading strategy that leverages sentiment data to anticipate economic shifts. With our API, you can integrate these insights directly into your models, enabling you to react swiftly to emerging trends. For more details, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this data to make informed decisions.